Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to get Active Developer Badge Discord. Alright, so the first thing that we are going to do is to create a new server. Make sure that you are in a server where nobody is. For example, right here, this is a server that I created and no one else is here apart from these bots. And then from this point forward, I'm just going to go ahead and click this one right here. And then we're going to go ahead and open our server settings. We're going to go ahead and enable our community. Go ahead and click get started here and just check everything here. Alright, this one, create one for me. I'm just going to choose general, community updates. I'm just going to choose general as well, and then click next. Now here from this point forward, I want you to go ahead and click this one and choose finish setup. And once you have created a new community, you're going to head over to this particular website right here. You will be asked to sign in, so make sure you do that one. After doing so, go ahead and click the new application, and I'm just going to go ahead and call this one sample name or sample application. Click this and then click create. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and open our bot, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down here. So we have the privilege gateway intents here. Make sure to turn on everything down here. After doing so, go ahead and click the save changes. And then if we are going to go back here at the top, there is an option here to reset the token. Go ahead and click that one, and then go ahead and click yes, do it. Now you're going to have to enter your password here, so go ahead and do that one real quick. Alright, there you go. Now make sure to hide your token. Go ahead and copy it. Now once you have copied your token, go ahead to botghost.com, and then we're going to go ahead and create a new bot. So go ahead and click this one. And here's what we have. We're going to go ahead and authorize this one right here. Alright, after doing that one, here's what we have. Scroll down here and you have the bot token. Go ahead and paste what you copied here, and then go ahead and click create bot. And after doing so, go ahead and click Active Developer Badge. Now just go ahead and close this one, and then go ahead and enable this one. Alright, go ahead and click Save Changes. And you can see that now it has been enabled. Alright, now once that's done, go ahead and invite the bot here. So just click this one, and then you're going to click this and choose the right server. So it is going to be called the server number 1, and then go ahead and click continue, and then authorize this one. So let's go ahead and try to do this one. Alright, so now we have the bot ghost here already. Alright, now that you have already added your bot ghost here, you can go ahead and run the command here. Go ahead and type slash, and then you're going to click this one. This is actually my bot ghost, and then you're going to go ahead and click this, and then hit enter. Alright, and here's the message that we have. So the command runs successfully, and then we're just going to have to wait for 24 hours to process our eligibility to get this developer badge. And that is how you're going to get Active Developer Badge Discord.